Hello everyone, welcome back to Express VTU for all. In this video, we are going to solve a very important problem from Module 3, Regression Analysis. So the question is, apply K nearest neighbor algorithm for the dataset given in the table. This is question 5a. Given are test instances 6.1, 40, 5. Use the training set to classify the test instances. Choose K equals to 3. This is nothing but the CGPA. This is the assessment and this is the project submitted. So first we write what is given in this question. So our test instances, which is 6.1 sorry 40, 5, and our K value, which is equals to 3. So now for this we have to calculate the distance formula, which is called as Euclidean. So distance formula used, which is called as Euclidean. So d equals to under root x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square plus z1 minus z2 whole square. So here our x1, which is equals to 6.1 according to the test instances, and our y1, which is equals to 40, and z1, which is equals to 5. This is nothing but the CGPA. According to this is our assessment and this is our project submitted. So first we calculate the distance for the pass result. After that we are calculating for the fail result. So first we calculate for the pass, which is 9.2 CGPA. Assessment is 85 and our project submitted is 8, which is our pass. Means we are taking first one where our CGPA is 9.2, assessment is 85, project submitted is 8, which the result is pass. So first we calculate for pass up to here, and after that we will calculate for the fail. So d equals to under root, what is our x1, which is 6.1 minus x2 is 9.2, so 9.2 whole square plus our y1 is 40 minus y2 is 85 whole square plus our z1 is 5 minus and our z2 is 8, so 8 whole square. So d equals to under root, when you solve it, it becomes 9.61 plus 2025 plus 9. When you solve it, it becomes under root 2043.61, which is nearly equal to 45.21. This is for d equals to 45.21 for our first case, which is pass. Now for second case, which is 8, 80, 7, where the result is pass. So d equals to under root 6.1 minus 8 square plus 40 minus 80 whole square plus 5 minus 7 whole square. When you calculate it, it becomes 3.61 plus 1600 plus 4, which is equals to 160.7.61, which is equals to 40.09. So our d equals to 40.09. Like that for third pass, which is our CGPA is 8.5, assessment is 81, project submitted, which is ace. This is our pass. So d equals to under root 6.1 minus 8.5 whole square plus 40 minus 81 whole square plus 5 minus 8 whole square. So when you calculate, it become 5.76 plus 1681 plus 9, which is equals to under root 1695.76, which is nearly equal to 41.17. This is our d equals to 41.17 for pass. So here our 3 passes completed, which is given in this question. Now we are looking for the fail result. So now we fourth one, which is this is our CGPA, this is 45, this is assessment, and this is our project submitted, which is 5, and this is our fail. Means for fail our CGPA is 6, assessment is 45, and project submitted is 5. So we are looking for calculating these 3 fails. So our distance, which is equals to 6.1 minus 6 whole square plus 40 minus 45 whole square plus 5 minus 5 whole square. When you calculate it, become 0.01 plus 25 plus 0, which is equals to under root 25.01, which is 5.00. Now for the another fair result, this is our CGPA, this is our project submitted, so this is our assessment, and this is our project submitted. The result is fail. So D equals to under root 6.1 minus 6.5 whole square plus 40 minus 50 whole square plus 5 minus 4 whole square. So when you calculate it, it becomes 0.16 plus 100 plus 1, which is equals to 101.16, which is equals to 10.06. So D equals to 10.06. Now our last result is this is 6. So our CGPA is 5.8, and our assessment is 38, and our project submitted is 5. The result is fail. So our distance, which is 6.1 minus 5.8 whole square plus 40 minus 38 whole square plus 5 minus 5 whole square. So when you calculate it, it becomes 0.09 plus 4 plus 0, which is equals to 4.09, which is equals to 2.02. So now our step 2 is we have to arrange the short distances along with the result or the class. So distances which we have calculated, so distances which we have to calculate it. So and this is our class. So our distance is 2.02, this is 5.00, 10.06, and 40.09, 41.17, and this is our last one is 45.21. So I am arranging the distances according to the ascending order, and the result is first one for fail, and this is for again fail and fail. After that pass, pass, and pass. So what are the distances for fail? This is for 3, fail, and this is for pass. So now what is our step 3? Means we have to choose the k value, which is equals to 3. So as you can clearly see that for starting initial value for k equals to 3, which is 2.02, 5.00, 10.06. This is also the fail. So our majority classes is which is equals to fail according to the k value, which is equals to 3. So the result, which is equals to fail. So like that you have to solve in the examination step by step to get the full marks. So if you want this handwritten notes, link is given in the description box. You go and check it from there. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe Express VTU for all.